truck hasn't been used yet today, so everything's still locked.
Lovely.
Lights, the square ones.
Yeah.
Can you grab those and take these ones back? They're, if you look at the axle, it's literally like this big. So we're gonna have to have the different Ford. Yeah, no. Those will work.
Okay.
Yarp. Them's will do. But I can't put them on until we get the wheeler thing here. This shit. Oh, there we go. Boop. So this axle is not quite like a normal axle. It's actually way wider for it being a heavy-duty model truck, I think. I'm not quite sure. But I had to use the big forks instead of the Lego hands.
So they shops bound setting them up. Well, we can't get a warranty until we go to service. And so I had to go drive mine. My buddy's guy that lives right now, he found out that the secret slowed down.
Oh, wow. Glad this doesn't do that. Stay. Ow. Damn it.
On camera?
Maybe. Just hit myself with this stupid wrench because it's 8 feet long. Hey, but it helped. On camera? No. Off camera. Will you... Oh, is this in the park? No. Okay. I need you to go grab my remote, please.
Okay.
I'd say there's some chains up there.
Couple.
Only all of them. You got zip ties, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Stay. Okay, will you go grab me a ratchet strap?
Red and black.
Quick.
Red and black.
Yep.
Ow.
Tell your dad owns the company.
Hey, remember Dad said that I'm the videographer now? I'm not supposed to help.
So that was a f***ing lie.
Oh yeah, sure. Oh, that's only super cool. Strap is too long.
We used to have a company that would come to the yard and collect them. Oh, look at that.
I got some pictures of them.
Yeah. These are all pets right here.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, just my cousin right here, they feed them, they cut them, play with kids and stuff.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, there's like 6 of them that just like live right here in his backyard. Like, we'll cut it up, there's the big ones up there.
Oh, I bet.